Hi, welcome back. Please come in. So as I understood from our last meeting is that the initial drawings are good so far, but you would like to do some modification for the layout, probably a little bit of color as well. That's not a problem. So that's why I went ahead and then I prepared this design agreement that I would like you to sign, please. So in this one, basically, it's just a commitment from you to us that we will go ahead and we will work on this project, and then based on that, we will be able to do all the modification that it's needed. So please have a look at it, and then just sign at the end for me, please. So now that it's done, we will go ahead and then we will look at the drawings again, and then we can start with the modification that you want, the colors, the layout, and all that. Thank you very much, and hope to see you again.